I wanted to create a portfolio for development stuff because everyone has a cool portfolio. I want a cool portfolio too. One that looked really, really good, and just copied it to Flutter because I'm Flutter and not the fan of React or JavaScript. So far we copied some basic components like the About Me page that shows what you're doing, how much experience you have in your own terms. Of course we have a qualifications component where you show what you did so far, and if you tick both work and education, it shows both of them with this little icon for work and education. Also it would just show the tags of them. And of course we have a call to action where you can tell the people, okay, now if you want to connect, click this, or if you want to message me. And we have testimonials, those are reviews, those show how cool you are and what the people value about you. Of course we implemented the mobile view as well. I forgot to mention the sidebar. This sidebar blurs out everything behind, and you have a few social media things like your website or see your actual social media. And in the web view, a few things are optimized. For example, the qualification tab. I have to fix the call to action because it has some margins to the left and right, and that's not how it is supposed to be. Ah, okay, I got it. The max width was set on the max height, and this was probably not right. Okay, so we have the mobile optimized view page with all the qualifications. We have the sidebar component, and of course we have the contact me button for everything. Credentials. You could just put there your website or whatever, your mail inbox, what you like to show off. And you have a small copyright at the bottom. I think there should be more features. For example, what's still necessary is the projects page where you can show off all your projects with links to your GitHub. I think that's pretty important to show what you've done so far. So for example, it's an open source project so everyone can see it, but it would be nice to be linked somewhere with a cool photo. So maybe I should add the same carousel or a different carousel, but still a carousel with all the project here. And the next step, we thought about creating a service, for example, just a simple page where everyone can log in and can exactly use this portfolio with just exchanging the string. So everyone gets their own domain. I mean, not the subdomain, but if you have your domain, a slash, and then the following, the domain parameters. Now that's not right true, but if you get the domain and everyone got, for example, portfolio / your name, then everyone has its portfolio because you signed up at the service. And I think a service could be nice where everyone can just sign up, use, for example, this portfolio template or some other portfolio templates, and fill out his own data and just have his own portfolio, but pre-designed it. I think that could be the next step. What we do is create an app, link it with Firebase, and then everyone can sign up and get their own portfolio done, just exchanging a few strings, and then you have your own portfolio, but it's the same design and everything is pre-set up. So that would make it even easier than just cloning the GitHub repo and editing it. Now that we are talking about models and getting everything done with just exchanging the strings, I tried to implement a model for every object. In theory, you could just convert everything to JSON and then just exchange the data. That's the plan. And if you have your own domain on the service hosted, you could just exchange. You could just set up your website and then it's saved as JSON, and then everyone that tries to access it gets this JSON rendered. That could make it easy. Yeah, that's the plan for now. I'm happy I hope you have a nice Christmas. I had literally 20 minutes to record this. I was like, okay, I want to record a new video and learn something about video editing and all this stuff. So I recorded in 20 minutes. Maybe I get it to cut and upload it today. I hope so. It would be fun. Have a nice Christmas. Have a good New Year's Eve. Maybe I'm on a state that I can present there as well. Bye bye.